Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Reef Finance coin. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the Reef Finance latest update, what's going on in the Reef Finance, what's the price changes occurred in the Reef. Let me show you guys, but before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about the Reef Finance. Guys, the currently live price of Reef Finance in the market is 0.027841 USD dollar. That's the currently live price of Reef Finance. And furthermore, guys, if you talk about the price changes of the Reef Finance, now the last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of Reef Finance in the market is going wrong. Only last 1 week changes of the Reef Finance is positive 20%. The last 1 hour, last 1 day changes of the Reef Finance in the market is negative. Just the last 1 week changes is positive. Other side, if you talk about the price of 0.027841 USD dollar is the highest price of the Reef Finance. Let me show you the price chart of the Reef Finance. Oh my god, you can see here guys, the Reef Finance from the start of August, the Reef Finance gradually, not a quick jump over, but gradually, slowly the Reef Finance price increase. Just look here. Guys, Reef Finance is a profitable coin. You know what, the price of Reef Finance is low, and other side, if you look at the changes, so you can see here 59.96% positive changes occur in the Reef, so that's good for investment for all of you guys. I recommend for you to invest now in a Reef Finance. Anyways, what you think, what is your prediction about Reef Finance? Also share on the comment box. And remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrency, so please do your own research. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.